Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are reviewing Iluxx's hair. You know the Dyson, like the $500 Dyson where it has all these things? It's literally that from Iluxx, and they sent it to me to try out, and I wanted to review it for you guys because I know Christmas is coming around the corner and the Dyson is probably gonna be on a few of your guys' wish list, but it's $500. So this could be a good substitute. So I figured let's try it out today. Literally before I came home. Oh my God, I'm home now. I'm in my new house. This is, my parents moved while I was gone at school, and so I just came home to a new house, and how amazing is this bathroom? I literally think I'm gonna film videos in here all the time because the lighting is mwah, it's so good. My voice is dead because before I flew home, the night before I flew home, I was hanging out with friends and we were literally all screaming Christmas music until like 2 a.m. and so my voice is gone. I'm not sick, I feel amazing, I feel so good being home. And as you can tell, I am fully ready for Christmas. I have my holly jolly, my Christmas robe. I've been playing Christmas music all morning, and as I'm unpacking my room, I'm literally getting it ready for Christmas. I'm a happy person. I'm home with my family and my dogs, and I've really been homesick recently, so I feel very content right now. Okay, let's get on into this review and try it out, and I can let you guys know the real tea. Just so you know what's up with my hair, I showered about an hour ago. I did my makeup first because I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have like completely soaking wet hair when you do it, so my hair is still really wet. Like I would not run a straightener through it. So we can use the dryer and we can style my hair today, so we can try some things out. Okay, so basically what it comes with is this super cute traveling case, and it's like a hard shell so it protects it. I flew with this and had no issue, packed it in a carry-on, and it kept it very safe. And then when you open it, this is what it looks like. There's 2 barrels that you can attach. And then there's the actual plug-in, the main piece from Iluxx. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. And then when you go inside, underneath that, there's all your attachments and everything. So it comes with, you get this, which is really good for curtain bang. Okay, and then it comes with just like a normal brush, so you can just brush it. That's probably good so you don't have to straighten your hair. But then again, I have super straight hair, so this is probably gonna be perfect for me, but if you have really curly hair, it might be a different story. Okay, and then it comes with the like hair drying attachment, like the blow dryer part. Oh my gosh! It comes with 3 hair clips. I literally use these all the time for my makeup. These are the best. Okay, and then a heat protectant glove. Okay, so that's everything that's inside of it, which is amazing, and there's a lot of stuff you can use. Let's see, I wanna blow dry my hair first a little bit. So you push this, and it just clips in. Oh my gosh, it just clips in like that. Okay, so obviously while doing my hair, it's gonna sound like a hair dryer. So I'm gonna mute the clips while I'm using it and play some pretty copyright-free music for you guys. But this is what it sounds like for a quick sec. Then I'm gonna switch to this. I really like both of the heads. I feel like the brush one did a really good job at just like making my hair look really like nice and straight. I believe so. I'm gonna use the like one that everyone freaks out about. I've never done this before, so this first one might be, I'm gonna do a small piece. That's actually really like cute. That's like the salon blowout. Oh my God, okay. Okay, that one packed some punch. Okay, we're getting better at this like as we go. Okay, I'm back, and I didn't like want to do full-on curls today. I just wanted kind of like a little bit of a blowout, and I'm not done yet because I haven't done my curtain bangs. But like once I did this side, I started to get better. They kind of fell out because my hair was still a little bit wet and I haven't even sprayed hairspray, and I've been doing this for a minute because I've been trying to learn. But I actually really like it, and once you get the hang of it, you can actually go really fast. So I think once I just get like more practice in and like know how to really do it, I feel like I could do my hair really fast and have it look really good. Because like I really like this, and I can't wait to do my curtain bangs. Like I just like the little like effortless little extra pop. That actually does literally exactly what my straightener does, but with more volume. I like really like it. I definitely think I need to like learn how to use it better and then like find the techniques that work for my hair. I have super thick hair, and I tried to like dry it as much as I could. My hair is fully dry right now, but it looks really good. Let me go spray with some hairspray. I will definitely keep you guys updated on like the process, but I really liked all the knobs that I used. The only one that didn't really work well for me was this one, and it might have been because my curtain bangs were too short, so it couldn't really like grasp anything. But I really liked it. I like how my hair looks. I feel very like put together right now. I really like what it did to my curtain bangs. I'm not even gonna lie. I really love what it did to my curtain bangs. Thank you so much, Iluxx, for sending me this. Like, that was so much fun to play with, and I'm really excited to get to use it more. This is actually gonna become like my main form of hair now because it's just so easy and it's all in one, and I like that I don't have to put like heat or an iron on my hair, because growing up my whole life I never really put heat on my hair because my hair was so thick it took forever to do anything. And so I always grew up with really healthy hair, and then I cut my hair and I started doing more stuff, and then heat, I really started to notice like when the damage came in. So now that I have this, I can protect my hair, and it's really nice. So thank you so much. I'm so honored to get to play with it. It was amazing. I think it's definitely a good substitute for the Dyson. So yeah, so don't go and spend $500 on the Dyson when you can get this and get the same results. Love you, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, beauties.